Back everyone, this is Jeff. We're working on a 2012 Maserati Quattroporte. The window regulator went bad on the driver's side. This is Mark's car. He's already removed the window regulator already. We did get one from Fur Parts, so if you need any parts, call Fur Parts. Here's the new one. We're going to go ahead and install this. Like I said, he's already removed it, so basically the reversal of installing it would be the removing it. Like I said, sorry I can't show you that portion of it, but hopefully you can kind of get the idea by us installing it. But anyway, this is it, and we're going to get ready to install this. So, Mark has it right now. It looks a little different than the original, so hopefully it works. I mean, maybe updated. He was saying that his original one has studs here. These have bolts in the locations here.
Yeah, these clips are totally different here too. But
it
looks like it's probably, hopefully, right.
Well, anyway, we'll find out. He's going to go ahead and then put it in the door, and we'll see what happens. All right. All right, Mark's got it installed. You've got a bolt here. There's one on top here. We've got one right here, here, and then one down in the corner. And then you've got the connector right here, which is a little bit different than the factory one. I guess the other one was attached to the motor.
It was just...
Well, that one's free flow. We might have to tie wrap that up just because you don't want it to get in the track. So we're going to go ahead and secure that and then see what happens then. Then we'll attach the window to it.
Yep.
So we've got the window back down into position. We're installing the bolts here on the brackets.
There's one there.
One back there in the red area there. It's, what's it, 10?
10. They're all,
10.
Everything's 10.
They're all 10s. So he's installing that. So once we get those tightened up, we'll check her out. So we've got, like I said, all this back together. This piece of foam here goes on the inside. We did use a tie wrap here for the connector, because like I said, the original was a little bit different than this, so this won't bounce around, vibrate, or whatever. So we're getting set up now to put the door panel back on. You got your connectors. Make sure your connectors are all outside the door, that there's none hidden inside. So anyway, we're proceeding on. Put the foam panel back on here. Don't forget, like I said, the routing of your door cable here, like that. And then these two connectors on the bottom and your connector up here. So, like I said, it's all ready here to put the door panel on. That's what Mark's getting right now. All right, we've got all our connectors hooked on. Like I said, don't forget your door handle here. It clips in here. All your connectors, one at the top, two at the bottom here. So anyway, he's going to go ahead and put that on. All right, so we've got the door panel on. We got all these little fir tree things in the back here, all installed. We've got a bolt to put on here. I think a couple more. So once we get that in, we'll put these other covers on. So we've put these hardware in, these Allen bolts. This is the second to shortest one. The shortest one goes underneath the handle here, right underneath this handle. The longest one goes here, and then two medium length, one here and one in here. All right, so there should be 5 bolts.
And there's a little rubber stopper that goes on top of the one under the handle.
Rubber stopper that goes underneath there that covers that?
Yep, I got that stuff.
Okay, so that's how those bolts go. So we've finished this up. All you do here yet is push this on. This should snap in. You want to put this in first though. This snaps on, and then this snaps on. And then, like you said, Mark has your little bumper here, like you said earlier. There's a little rubber bumper here that's got to be put in. And then he's got to put this panel on here yet. And then the reflector covers the other screw back here that this pops in. So, and I guess that's the last piece. he's going to put in. That's it.
That's it.
So that completes this installation of the driver's door window regulator on a 2012 Maserati Quattroporte. So, all right. Hey, thanks a lot for watching. Catch you next time.